Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here at the Budapest project, or landmark project, I must say. We'll be doing a little bit of filming, and you'll see a whole interview with the CEO of this company and the project here. We got a lot going on. As you already saw, there's already a lake here, nice beach. Very good active residential. Behind me you can see some more residential buildings and office buildings. This is really becoming not only a landmark project, or has been a landmark project, almost 1 million square meters in total, but it's also just moving the CBD in a little bit, or maybe a lot, in from the Pest side and a bit more to the Buda side. So that will be interesting to see how things come along here. But I know there's over 200,000 square meters of office space being developed, over 3,000 residential units, and already I think 1,000 are sold, and the other ones are going quick. And about 25,000 square meters of retail as well. So great opportunity for retailers to come over here, companies to come over here, and a great sort of active living. You see on the lake, there's a lot of canoers and things going on. A lot of, as you noticed, bike riders coming by. So a lot going on the active living and just sort of lifestyle here. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about this. Mihai Shanets is the CEO of Property Market, which is the developer here and has a lot of other projects around town as well. We'll be talking with him next week and seeing what actually is going on here and how it fits in with Budapest, and how it really seems to be more of a magnet for people to live here and work here. So enjoy the rest of the day. We've got a lot happening here, a little bit of rain today, a lot happening here on this part of the city, which you don't really hear too much about. And we'll shoot over to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, back in Warsaw, which will have the news for the day. We also have a little video of our CRE Awards, which is going to take place here in Budapest at the InterContinental Hotel, October 20th. So if you're not signed up for that, let me know. We'd definitely like to get you involved, or if you've got a project here, a company here, we'd like to get your nominations in as well. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Thursday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. In Poland, Panattoni has completed a €160 million sale of a portfolio of 5 fully let logistic parks, covering a total of 230,000 square meters GLA to a North American real estate investment manager. 3 of the logistics parks are located in Warsaw, 1 close to the city's airport, and 2 in the west of the Polish capital. A 4th is situated in Poznan East, located between Warsaw and Berlin on the A2 highway, and another is near the city of Radisson in central Poland, 100 kilometers to the south of Warsaw. And according to Robert Trubisky, Panattoni CEO and co-owner Europe, Panattoni has completed the sale of these 5 fully let logistics parks in Poland to a major global real estate investment manager, after their development completion on schedule and to budget. Although the economic outlook is not so shiny anymore, industrial is still one of the real estate asset classes continuing to attract strong interest from investors. Panattoni remains very confident in the long-term prospects for Poland's industrial and logistics real estate market. And Dobrzycki continues, there are many reasons to be upbeat, including the continuing strong trend towards nearshoring, following the disruptions to global supply chains, the low penetration of e-commerce relative to Western Europe, and the ongoing appetite of international companies to set up manufacturing facilities in Poland due to low-cost labour force and large domestic market. Staying in Poland and moving to the residential sector, and TRE have announced that they have started their first PRS, private rented sector development in Poznan. This new development is scheduled to be completed in 2025, and the developer plans to build 400 apartments in the city, 450 apartments in the city under this formula. And according to Jacek Wesolowski, Managing Director of TRE in Poland, the process of relocation of the Biedronka supermarket is the first step that will bring us closer to the implementation of the main part of the multi-stage PRS investment in Poznan. At the beginning of next year, we plan to start the construction of the first phase of the complex. As part of this stage, we will build 2 buildings that will provide a total of 300 apartments for rent. And he continues, in Poznan, we are preparing a pilot investment in the PRS sector in which we plan to develop our business. However, we will not give up building apartments for sale. We have experience in this market, our investments have achieved very good results so far, and we have also built a very good team in these 2 sectors, which we will build simultaneously. Staying in the real estate sector and staying in Poznan, and the Belgian developer, BPI Real Estate, is expanding its portfolio in the city. The latest project from the developer will be built in an area connected very close to the city centre, which is becoming more and more popular for residential real estate. Their offer will include 272 apartments. The investment consists of 2 buildings. The first is an L-shaped and has 8 to 10 stories, and the second is a 17-story building in the rectangular shape. Between the buildings there will be a courtyard, a greenery and a playground for children. And BPI is financed from the developer's own funds, and this is the second project from the company in Poznan. In 2020, they completed the ecological Wilder Park, and all the flats have been sold in that investment. The general contractor is CFE Polska, which belongs to the same catchment group as BPI Real Estate Poland, and completion of the new development is planned for the 4th quarter of 2024. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.